Hey guys! Today we're gonna be making a Play-Doh dress for Princess Anna. Are you ready for a royal celebration? Princess Anna will be getting her very own wedding dress. First things first, let's remove this MagiClip dress. Just press on the bottom and the dress comes out. See? Easy. Now let's give Princess Anna a little base so she'll be able to stand up. Just like that. Now let's work on her wedding dress. I'm gonna stretch out this dough. And I do wanna make a little detail in the bottom, as if the fabric was gonna fold up. So I want this Play-Doh to be long. Let's see if I can do this. The bottom part is gonna fold up, just like that. And then her arms up. And that's it. That's exactly what I wanted. Look at the little bottom. It's folding up. Now we're gonna press a little bit. And I think I wanna remove just a little bit of this dough from her back. Let's turn around. Whoa, that was fast. And we're gonna fix the back of her dress. Arms down. Now, because she is Queen Elsa's sister, she needs some snowflakes in her beautiful wedding dress. And that's why I needed the extra Play-Doh. Let's do here a snowflake. Of course, Elsa would put lots of snowflakes on Anna's dress. Oh, there you go. I got the last snowflake here. And that's it. Anna's wedding dress is done. And it's all made of Play-Doh. Don't forget to subscribe for many more Play-Doh creations.